In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively use the clip path property to create fascinating and custom shapes on your web page. This process is wonderfully straightforward, yet offers substantial potential to enhance the visual interest of your web page design. So, let's dive into the details. To begin, you'll want to add a div block to your web page. This div block will serve as the canvas for our custom shape. You can place it wherever you deem fit on your web page. Once the div block is in place, feel free to style it to suit your design aesthetics. Consider adjusting the background color, adding borders, or playing with dimensions to make it visually appealing. The goal here is to create a visually engaging element that stands out on your page. Next, navigate to the Styles panel, where you'll find a plethora of options to enhance and manipulate your div block's appearance. As you scroll through this panel, locate the section dedicated to custom attributes. It's within this area where we'll apply the magic touch that is the clip path property, transforming your ordinary div into a captivating custom shape. Proceed by adding a new attribute. Set the name of this attribute to clip path, as this will allow the browser to understand and apply the custom shape specifications you're about to designate. In the value field related to this attribute, you'll input your desired clip path value, which dictates the shape of your div block. There are numerous existing clip path values available online, and spending some time browsing sites like clippath.com can provide inspiration and ready-to-use code snippets. These resources can spark ideas for complex geometric configurations or more simplistic forms, depending on your project's needs. Let's take a practical example. If you aim to create a basic triangle shape, you can use the polygon function with a specific set of coordinates. For a simple triangle, you might try using the coordinates polygon, 50%, 0%, 0%, 100%, 100%, 100%. This function takes coordinate pairs and draws your desired shape within the div block. For more intricate shapes, you can extend the polygon function with additional coordinate pairs, allowing for endless possibilities of shape creation. To sum up, the clip path property is an exceptional tool for crafting unique and dynamic shapes on your web page, effectively pushing the boundaries of traditional web design. By adding a div block, styling it, and utilizing the clip path attribute effectively, you can transform any ordinary element into something extraordinary. Enjoy experimenting with different shapes and let your creativity shine through in your web design projects. Stay tuned for more tutorials on innovative web design techniques.